In woodworking, you learn very fast that it's the little things that make a build work. Precision is in the details. Over the years, I've come to learn that Owens Corning Duration shingles, really their whole roofing system, is exceptional. When you put two pieces of wood together, that's called a joint. Now, if you don't have enough glue or it's a bad joint, this can happen. That's a weak bond, all right? You don't want that. So what details matter in a shingle? Shingles are in a way joined to your roof by a nail. Now let's say that the nails are put in the wrong place, or let's say that you shoot them in there too hard. The shingle can be a lot weaker. That is not an Owens Corning shingle. Owens Corning Duration shingles have this, the SureNail strip. This helps you make sure the nail goes in the right spot through 3 layers of protection. That's triple layer protection, all right? And it makes the shingle up to 9 times better at resisting nail blow through. It's also gonna make your shingle a lot stronger, okay? If your roof is going to be built to last, then it needs to be durable. And it takes more than great shingles. The total protection roofing system, every single part of your roof playing its role for lasting protection. So whether it's woodworking or roofing, quality comes from doing the details right.